What's going on, everyone? Dion here. Hope everybody had a great weekend. I know I sure did. We're gonna jump off of what we were talking about last week with my video that I did on Optech. We're gonna talk about Optech again today. Let's go. So let's take a look at the chart that we had from last week and last week's video. So if you take a look right here, this is from last week's video. This is when Opti had closed at 0.062. And then on Friday, this past week, right before close, we closed at 0.0715. This is really great for Optech, and I'll explain why in the chart right here below. So let's get to it. Just by taking a look at this chart alone, you can see that Optech is definitely on their way to 10 cents. If you look here, it definitely is kind of looking to me almost like history is repeating itself right here, which is with its previous rise up. But I personally believe this time around we will hit higher highs. The RSI and MACD are also both indicating very bullish symbols for this stock. So besides the chart for Optech looking rather sexy and bullish, there's been a lot of other things going on in the world right now. As you can see right here, COVID cases have picked up to 1 million, which is insane. Yeah, guys, that's 1 million cases in the last 6 days. That is crazy. And COVID's just been picking up, but Optech's been picking up as well. Optech is not lacking. If you go anywhere online and you type in the word OPTI or you type in Optech, you'll notice that the post in the attention for this company has raised drastically over the past week. And it's just going to continue picking up, which is very great for Optech because they're getting this exposure. And one of the most anticipated things that have been discussed on these forums has been the podcast that is happening with Stock Day Media on Monday at 9 a.m. right before the stock market opens, which is very strategic. They will be interviewing the CEO of Optech, Robert Paulson, about a few things that he has going on with the company. So honestly, what I think is going to happen is a lot of things that the general public already knows is going to be brought up in this podcast. But I do believe that there may be a few bombshells and there may be a few subtle hints at things that may be happening in the future, which is why a lot of people may want to watch this, and this is building anticipation up for this stock. Besides the podcast though, as you can see here, the financials of this company has been increasing drastically. This is a huge increase from the previous quarter that was recorded, and I really believe that this is going to play a big role in the price increase for price per share of this company. There are not many OTC stocks out there, guys, right now that have been putting out numbers like this. And I really believe this is very impressive. I really think this is a big thing for Optech, and I think the next quarter is going to show even greater results. And to back that up even more, guys, the company has increased its position on advertising and branding the brand name of Optech. As you can see here, they've got commercials out. I've watched quite a few commercials. I don't want to play them on here because I don't know how YouTube is with that, but they've got quite a few commercials out, and the commercials were great quality commercials, guys. Like, these weren't just some cheesy commercials. It looked like they spent some decent money on these commercials, guys. And there's also been a lot of talk of people actually ordering these and using things like the Rover. As you can see here, there was a school that actually ordered the Rover and just recently made a post thanking Optech for them providing them with the Rover. And there's also been other posts quite similar to that, and I really think that Optech is on its way up, guys. But at the end of the day, this is all just stemmed from my personal opinion and observation, but my observation should still be taken into consideration because this is a very possible happening for this company. Just take a look at the amount of money that Galaxy, also known as stock ticker symbol GAXI, has made through all of their school type of deals, just from this whole COVID shift. If GAXI could make all of this money from these schools, just imagine what Optech could do with their Rover. Definitely do your own research. Definitely make sure it's your decision that you want to jump on this stock and that you're not just doing it because some guy on YouTube's telling you to jump in on it. But anyways, guys, that's all I've got for today's video. If you like my content, think about subscribing. You have any comments, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as quick as possible. But anyways, guys, this is Dion. Thanks for watching.